Hello students, let's see the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. So first of all, let's see the common names. So here I have written some aldehydes and ketones, and also I have written the common names. So let's see how does the name comes. So first one is HCHO. HCHO is formaldehyde. Actually, formaldehyde, the name comes from the corresponding acid. Corresponding carboxylic acid is formic acid. Since there is only one carbon atom, the corresponding carboxylic acid is formic acid, and the IC of the acid is replaced by aldehyde. So the name formaldehyde comes. Then the second one is CH3CHO. CH3CHO, there are two carbon atoms. So we know that the corresponding acid is acetic acid. So since there are two carbon atoms, the corresponding carboxylic acid is acetic acid. So the IC of acetic acid is replaced by aldehyde. So the name acetaldehyde. So the second one is acetaldehyde. Likewise, the third one is propionaldehyde. So the corresponding carboxylic acid is propionic acid. So the IC of carboxylic acid is replaced by aldehyde. So it is propionaldehyde. So there are three carbon atoms in this aldehyde. So the name is propionaldehyde. Then the next one is a cyclic aldehyde. So this is a cyclic compound. There is a cyclic aldehyde. So in this case, we have to add the suffix carbaldehyde. So for a cyclic compound with the aldehyde group, we should add carbaldehyde as the suffix with the full name of the cyclic compound. So actually this is methyl cyclohexane. So without CHO, this part is methyl cyclohexane, and carbaldehyde should be added as the suffix. And also we should note that the methyl, the position of the methyl also should be written, and this is in the gamma position. So this is the alpha position, this is beta position, and this is gamma position. So gamma methyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So this is the common name of this particular compound. So next one is alpha methoxypropionaldehyde. Actually this is propionaldehyde. It's a derivative of propionaldehyde since the parent chain contains 3 carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So it is propionaldehyde, and there is an OCH3 group. OCH3 group is a methoxy group. This is in the alpha position. So this is alpha position. So alpha, this is beta. So in the alpha position, OCH3 group is there. So alpha methoxy propionaldehyde. So this is the common name. Then next one is CH3, CH double bond, CHCHO. The common name of this particular compound is acrolein. Then comes another aldehyde. Here two aldehyde groups are attached nearby. So two CHO groups are there on the benzene ring. And this is actually called a thaldehyde. So the common name is thaldehyde. Then another compound here, CHO group is there on the benzene ring, and a bromine is attached. So this is at the meta position. Bromine is at the meta position. So it will be meta-bromo. So CHO group is added on a benzene ring. So here also carbaldehyde should be added as the suffix. So meta-bromo benzene carbaldehyde. Or we can write, or we can say meta-bromo benzaldehyde. So more commonly we can use benzaldehyde instead of benzene carbaldehyde. So benzaldehyde, that is also used in the case of IUPAC name also. So this is meta-bromo benzaldehyde. So bromine is in the meta position. So this is 1, 3 position. So meta-bromo benzaldehyde. So if CHO group is there on the benzene ring, it will be benzaldehyde. So we can write meta-bromo benzaldehyde. Then the next one is a ketone. So CO group is there. So carbonyl group, CO group is there. So it's a ketone, and both sides there are alkyl groups. So we will write the common name like alkyl ketone. So we should write both the alkyl groups according to the alphabetical order. Here methyl and normal propyl. So here there is methyl group and here it is propyl group. It is normal propyl and M comes first, then P. So it will be methyl normal propyl ketone. Then this is also a ketone, but this is a cyclic ketone. So without CH3 we can say this is a cyclohexanone. So cyclohexane and CO group. So that will be cyclohexanone, and on cyclohexanone CH3 group is attached in the alpha position. So this is alpha position. This is alpha position. So alpha methyl cyclohexanone. So this is another compound. This is called a mesityle oxide. CH3 C CH3 double bond CH CO CH3. This is also a ketone, but the common name is mesityle oxide. So these are the common names of some aldehydes and ketones.